Hello students, this is Maestro Elvis again, and today we're going to look at the pre-kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 3 of 4 quiz. Hopefully you have already completed the pre-kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 3 of 4 lesson, and you have viewed the video 2 or 3 times at least and studied the words, the definitions, and if you're an English learner, hopefully you have translated the words and the sentences to understand better. Now we're going to check to see how much you know of these 10 words, and hopefully you know a lot. Please grab a sheet of paper or a notebook and copy and complete the quiz below. The words are look, make, me, my, not, one, play, read, run, and said. Please copy the sentences with the blanks on the right-hand side and fill in the blanks with those words. And I'm going to read these for you. Number 1, she drives a car. Number 2, give your hand. Number 3, do you like to chess? Number 4, this is school. Number 5, I need dollar. Number 6, they want to inside the store. Number 7, let's a new game. Number 8, do leave me. Number 9, if you will get tired. And number 10, that she loves me. Okay? Make sure you complete these blanks with the words on the left. I'm going to give you a few more seconds to do that. And if you're not finished, I strongly suggest you put the still button on this video so that you can copy these down before we go over the answers together. Okay? A few more seconds and we're going to go over the answers. Okay, are you ready? Here are the answers. Number 1, she drives a red car. Number 2, give me your hand. Number 3, do you like to play chess? Number 4, this is my school. Number 5, I need $1. Number 6, they want to go inside the store. Number 7, let's make a new game. Number 8, do not leave me. Number 9, if you run, you will get tired. Number 10, she said that she loves me. Okay, so please check your answers. How many answers did you get correct? I hope that you got at least 7 out of 10 correct. If you got 7 or more out of 10, that means you pretty much understand these words. However, if you scored less than 7 out of 10, I encourage you to go back to the pre-kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 3 of 4 lesson, review that lesson, and then take this quiz again, okay? Because we need to master these words before we go to the next list of words. We don't just want to know a little bit, we want to know all of these words well enough. Thank you very much for your hard work, and I look forward to working with you on the next list, which is Pre-Kindergarten Dolch Sight Words Part 4 of 4 lesson.